Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, US dollar, Japanese yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 4-hour chart of USDjpy, and during the last trading session, especially during the last closing hours, we saw a heavy downside on the chart of USDjpy and ultimately closed at 136.06. If we look at the chart carefully, then we can see the market just closed at the 200 moving average. Yes, the red line is the 200 moving average here, and around the same level we can also see the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. Okay, so if we just try to analyze the overall trend of the market here, then we can see that yes, though we have seen heavy selling during the last trading hours, but the overall structure of the market is still very much intact. Overall, the trend of USDjpy is still very much towards the upside. So this is not a trend reversal yet. For a proper trend reversal, we need an inverted V pattern, and this is just still a correction for us. This is just a correction for us. So what are the trading opportunities then? So the market opening will be extremely important for the USDjpy, because market closed at a very crucial level of 136.06. So in case if you see a further downside on the chart of USDjpy, if you see that market is forming red candles after the market opening, I'll suggest you not to take any position. Especially I'll suggest you not to take any sell position on the chart, because it can be a false signal also, and especially we also have few price rejection levels from below. So there is a confusion, there will be a confusion that whether market is going down or it is just a false breakout. And especially on Monday during the first half, the volume is less, the participation traders is also very less. So during that time, I think that a breakout kind of a trade can be a risky trade. So if you see further downside, do not take any sell position on USDjpy. But I think that on Monday there is a possibility that market will somehow try to maintain its position here. So on Monday, if you see an upside here, listen to me carefully, if you see an upside on the chart of USDjpy, and if you see the market going up from here, market forming a hammer kind of a pattern, and market showing some bullishness, then you can consider taking a buy position as well above 136.30 level. Above this level, you can consider taking a buy position as well. But keep in mind, on Monday morning the volume will be very less, so taking a buy is not a very good trade also. So please follow proper risk management, and if possible try to go with a small lot size only. That can be a better option. And selling, sure, you should be avoiding any sell position, I think. And the best trading opportunity, I think it will be around 134.4 according to my analysis. Okay, 130.40 can be a very good position to take a trade. Why? Because of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, and plus we can see that price rejection from below around this level. So if we combine both the factors here, okay, I think that yes, it can be a good trade. So in case market shows further downside on USDjpy, then I think that this will be the best trade. If market reverses from 134.40 on Monday, it can be a good trade for us. We can expect a reversal. But yes, do not take any sell position, especially if you are new trader, beginner to the market. No need to take any risk. Simply wait for 134.40. If market reverses, click on the buy button. And on the other hand, if market bounces from particularly this level only, because of the presence of the 200 moving average and this one, you can consider a buy position. So whatever you do, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So protect your hard-earned money, protect your capital. Do not gamble with your capital and hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.